Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use airplane mode on Monopoly Go. So in order to do this, you first need to open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for Monopoly Go. Now once you find Monopoly Go, you simply need to tap on its icon, and once you do this you just have to check whether you are getting any update of Monopoly Go or not. If you are getting any update, then you simply need to tap on the update button, and after updating your Monopoly Go application, you just have to swipe down your notification bar in the top, and here you just have to tap on this flight mode option. This flight mode is basically your airplane mode. So after enabling it, you just have to start playing Monopoly Go application, and once you do this you can see that the glitch of the airplane mode off is not showing over here. It simply means that you can now use Monopoly Go with the help of the airplane mode. As you can see, if I swipe down, you will notice that my airplane mode is on, and currently I am using this application. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.